redneck frame straightener.
Yeah. Bounce on the trailer.
Heck yeah. How about disconnect the trailer? Come on.
They need Bubba rope.
He's getting sprayed. Okay, that's good stuff too.
He's about to get in the soup.
Oh yeah, I don't think he knows what he's getting into. Oh man, we got snatches going on.
He went the right way.
He did?
Yeah.
Like a ball.
Oh, he didn't make it. He's gonna jackknife that trailer.
No. Dude, wait, did he dump a motorcycle?
Mm-mm. Did he have two of them on there or one?
I thought he did. I don't know if it's on your video. Nah, maybe he just had one.
Keep my phone dry. Broke the strap.